দপ্তরের ওই আমাদের প্রকৌশলী এম নাশিদুর রহমান, in charge of electronics, dedicated potential engineer as well as technical manager of the training. He is supposed to me request to survey these goods. These goods related with the bedside patient monitor 8 parameter. NIMU have given the work order for repair and maintenance of this monitor of which hospital? CEST hospital. As we know, the CEST disease is related with the heart, because lung is correlated with the heart. When lung is malfunctioning, then heart rate is necessary to measure, as well as lung purified the oxygen and carbon dioxide inhalation and exhalation, and oxygenated blood goes to the tissue and deoxygenated blood removed by the blood and through lung again left ventricle of the heart. So it is very much important parameter physiological to measure. So this is the oxygen sensor. The Bidder arm tag has supplied three spare parts for oxygen sensor. I found it's okay, and you is agree with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Another issue is that this is the temperature probe. As we know, during the ICU patient and bedside cardiac monitor is used for 24 hours monitoring the body temperature. It is not possible continuous temperature measured by the digital thermometer, and it is connected with the central monitor, and that's why this is the skin temperature monitors. Usually it is inserted in the bed, or sometimes doctor use in the this is non-invasive temperature.
Non-invasive.
So this is the terminal detector skin like that, and this signal goes to this probe and modular of the monitor, and modular receive the temperature and detect the temperature that monitor. From this temperature, doctor decide the medication for higher temperature and lower temperature. They give the medication for higher temperature. They use suppository or like Napa, Panadol, etc. Another issue is that this is the ECG cable. ECG cable, ECG means electrocardiogram. So it is not possible for a patient to connect to a 10-lead electrode to various physical, structural, or anatomical structural. Here I have seen that 5 cable. Sometimes we use 3 cable. So if I see that this is the neutral, right hand. This is another. This 4. This LA, left arm. This is right leg. This also for right arm, and red is the left leg. And then connected, I am viewing. So tomate ka swap it. So I do not know. I am the patient. So here is 5 electrode. This receives the signal from my heart. Okay. If we see that this limb electrode, I connect here. Another is here. Another is here. Limb electrode means 2 hands and 2 legs. This connection is there. This connection is there. Right hand is there. Left hand is there. And Wi-Fi. We care it is variable. In the early starting of the ECG, there are 6 positions of the chest. Sternum. V1, and then V2, then V3, then V4, and V5, and V6. It means that 10 lead is permissible by this electrode. It's good. 4 is constant. If doctor see that, I wish to see the lead viewer. Okay, current viewer. B2 there, B3 there, B4 there. This is the variable. This was early invention. So all time it is not necessary to view the V1, V2, V3, and that's why it is 5 bit. It's good for cardiac parameter detection to measure the activity of the heart, electrical activity conduction. So it is we can obtain as well as monitoring physiological parameter. At the same time, if we think that it can use as ECG machine, okay, hold it and then memory, then memory, then memory, then memory, and all data is stored there, display is there, and then I print this monitor, and this is the real time. Okay, I think very much happy, and it is interesting support. Thank you very much. Okay, happy?
Yes, sir. Apne happy holo, I'm wonderful.